Passive income, how does it work? Where can you get it? And is it even a real thing? Before we get into all of that, greetings my fellow investors and welcome to Nordic Finance, where we, or today just me, yours truly, Lucas, help you on your financial journey. Let me ask you this, have you invested in the subscribe button and deposited a like on the video yet? So, you may have heard about this thing called passive income, and immediately some warning bells went off in your head. And rightly so. I mean, the whole thing kinda sounds too good to be true, and a bit sketchy. Well, not when you actually understand what it actually is and how it really works. This is what I will try to teach you in today's video. Now, will you be able to just go out and immediately start earning tons of money without doing anything just by watching this video? Absolutely not. But I will give you some great framework from which you can figure out a way to possibly apply this to your own life. That is the goal. So now when we have the ground rules set, let's dive into it. You know, I love my definitions, so let us start there as usual. According to Big Daddy Investopedia, passive income is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership.
Hold up a minute.
Limited partnership LP is a form of partnership similar to general partnership, except that while a general partnership must have at least two general must have at least one. Okay. So it's sort of like if you invest in a company, but it's in the private market, if I understand things correctly. Okay. Let's get back to it. So passive income is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise which a person is not actively involved in. As with active income, passive income is usually taxable but is often treated differently by the IRS.
Yuck!
Not too much to go on here. Well, lucky for you guys, I have thought about this a lot these past years. So, in my opinion, there really exist only two types of passive income categories. One, you invest money, earn interest on your investment and grow your wealth slowly but surely. This can be extremely easy to set up, but it's slower. Number two, you design a system that offers value for other people with little or no direct involvement on your part. The fundamental idea behind both of these categories is that you first spend effort and time to establish, in lack of a better word, money machine that continuously generates income for you over time. Similar to how you can plant a tree and after it has grown past its infancy, it will most likely no longer require your help in order to keep on growing. At least not much. That's the general idea here. Let me give you some examples on each of these. The first category, let's call it the take my money and give me more money later category, or the TMMAGMML for short. Okay, on second thought, that really sucks. Let's use you need money to make money instead. This category is, as I said, super easy to set up and get started immediately. And we have several videos discussing how on this channel, but I will link to the most recent one right here. Things I would include in this category are index funds, hedge funds, although I'm not a fan of hedge funds, rental properties, loan vehicles such as fellow finance, and even just high interest accounts. These are not equally created, so pick your approach carefully. I am the first to recommend index funds for a complete beginner, and many people agree with me on that one. If you live in the Nordic countries, I would recommend you check out Nordnet and especially our videos on it. I'll link the most relevant here for you. The other category of passive income requires less money but a lot more creativity and time, especially in the beginning. This could be literally anything. I think the perfect makeshift title for this category is passive income do-it-yourself or DIY style. Since I am currently talking to you through the power of YouTube, a YouTube channel might very well fit this definition, closely followed by blogs and personal websites. But don't sell yourself short. If you can design a product and figure out a way to get people to buy it or consume it, whatever it is, online, this is the way for you to go. So, now that we understand what passive income actually is, as well as the most common ways for people to take advantage of it, how can you benefit from it? Well, I would recommend everyone to learn the basics of the first category, you need money to make money. Why? Because whatever else you do to make money, it will synergize fantastically. What do I mean by that? Well, when you learn the most simple disciplines of saving and investing money consistently, you will be able to grow your net worth over time no matter what you do for a living. And what a coincidence that is, because if you're watching our channel, which you are right now, this is basically 100% of what we cover here. This is what we talk about almost all the time. So do yourself a favor and subscribe. Come on, do it. Do it for your future self. Now, if you are not yet working, or you feel more entrepreneurial,
you could do so,
I can't say that word to save my life. Entrepreneurial. I really want to make more videos about that too, and we probably will in the future. For now though, all I can do is point you in the right direction. But first, some ground rules. If you are looking for ways to do this online and information on how to do this online, beware of the scams. The scams are everywhere. If I were you, I would simply write down 5 things you love to do. It can be video games, martial arts, music, fishing, sports, cooking, being a parent, etc. Then pick one of these categories and figure out A thing you wish you had or wanted in association with one of the chosen hobbies. B, a way to produce content around this hobby. And as always, why not both? It is now your job to produce that product that you want yourself and perhaps sell it using that content that you produce around your hobby. I think that's a great way for you to get started. And remember, as always, when it comes to doing things in life, I always recommend to do both. You are more than capable of figuring out a way to both start investing your money as well as doing a side project using this do-it-yourself passive income style, thus giving you multiple income streams, which is key. Just take your time and don't expect overnight success. Big myth, by the way. And maybe just start off by reading some books that loosely relate to these things. For me, books are a gold mine when it comes to ideas whenever I get stuck. What I usually do is listen to an audiobook using Audible that covers a topic relating to the subject. Now, wouldn't it be great if I was sponsored by Audible? Might have to sign up for their affiliate program. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know which of these 2 methods, or both, you are applying or going to apply to your life. And as always, I wish you guys happy investing.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just